In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view, analyze, and export form results on Typeform. Let's begin by opening your web browser and going to typeform.com on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your Typeform account. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your forms. Click on the specific form you'd like to review, the one you want to see the results for. When your form opens, look toward the top of the screen for the menu options. Click on the Results tab. This section is where all the data gathered from your form responses is stored and organized. Under the Results tab, you have several viewing options, starting with Summary. Click on Summary and you'll be presented with visual charts and overall trends for each of your questions. These charts are especially useful. They display counts and percentages for each possible answer, making it easy to spot patterns or popular choices among your respondents. Consider scrolling through and taking note of any surprising trends or data points. The visuals here are designed to give a clear, at-a-glance overview of your data, which can help inform your next steps or decisions based on the responses. For a deeper dive into the details, you'll want to move over to the Responses section, which is also found within the Results tab. Click on Responses to bring up a table that displays every individual answer submitted through your form. The newest submissions will always appear at the top of the list, ensuring you can quickly review the latest feedback. Now, if you're interested in seeing exactly what someone answered throughout the whole form, look for the Expand icon located next to each response row. Clicking this icon will open up the full set of answers that the person provided, allowing you to get a complete picture of their responses without having to navigate away from the table. Sometimes you might want to sift through your results more efficiently. At the top of the Responses table, you'll find filter options. You can use these filters to narrow down results by a specific date range, or by certain answer values if you're searching for responses that meet particular criteria. This is a great tool if you have a large data set and want to zero in on relevant feedback or compare responses over time. If you need to export your results to use in spreadsheets or share with a team, Typeform makes that easy too. In the Responses table, simply click on the download icon and choose your preferred file format, like CSV or XLSX. Your export will start, and you'll have a file ready to view or analyze further in Excel, Google Sheets, or your favorite data platform. And that's it. You now know how to review, analyze, and export your Typeform responses. Try out these features for your next survey and make the most out of your data. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.